Okay, good evening. This is the official stream for ticker symbol BMXC. We're going to briefly discuss what's going on. I have discussed this stock many times on my Periscope. I'm also an active holder. I do have a position in BMXC, and I'm going to probably be adding a lot more to my position tomorrow afternoon, maybe early morning. However, the ask may hold up. Maybe it won't hold up. I don't know. It may or may not hold up depending on how big these emails play a role. I am a firm believer in companies emailing back to the investors and to shareholders and people that ask inquiries that can be answered legally without, of course, uh, having a problem with insider trading or any other insider information that would condemn the stock. I would like to say condemn the stock. It's not good for a company to tell us inside information when we don't want it. This, on the other hand, is not inside information. This is stuff we need to know, and this makes traders happy to see that companies are getting back to their investors like this. I'm going to read to you guys actually what this says. This is a pretty big deal. This was received back on December 30th of 2016. The This is all content from a guy named Lipster on Twitter, and this one, along with his email, they both received the same email at the same time on December 30th of 2016 at 7:06 p.m. This is what this says. There are less than approximately 14% of the note remaining as end of the day, which is about $50,000 from the total of $302,000. Generally, note holders tend to be slow once they have smaller percentage remaining. The current balance is not expected to have much impact, if any, on the price going forward. Rather, the smaller percentage remaining would help to support the liquidity. The company will provide an update next week with an 8K before the 10K filling, as well as other marketing and sales updates throughout the month of January. Now, with that being said, remember, this was December 30th. They're expecting this shit to drop any minute now. Any second, tomorrow, tonight, maybe 6 a.m. tomorrow, 7 a.m., whenever. They're going to release an 8K right before the 10K or the 10Q filling. And as soon as that 10Q drops, which that's what we've been talking about this whole time, as soon as that 10Q drops, this is going back to copper. Easy. Easy, guys. I mean, really easy. You have an easy 100%, 200, 250, 300% gain here. Like I mentioned the last time on DTCH, this company is in the same boat, if not better boat, than DCTH. And the gains are real. The gains are real here. And as the company states, they're right in black and white. Literal black and white, which is right there. There's no reason why this company is not going to go back up to where it was at, where it was trading before. And I I don't know. I think this is a very big deal. Here, just take a look at this. If you take a look at that chart and you just look at that chart and you see, okay, there's a 50-cent point right there. 50 cents is right there. We have the cursor lined up. Right down there where we're at. We're at like 0051 right now. There's no reason why we can't hit that tomorrow. Not 50 cents tomorrow, of course, but there's no reason why we can't make our way back up to the 20-cent mark easy. So keep that in mind. There's a lot of stuff going on for this company, and there's really no reason why, like I said, no reason why this company's not going to go back to where they were trading before. And because they're constantly reaching out to the shareholders. They're constantly letting us know. They're not giving us updates. They're giving us private emails to keep the investors on the boat, and I'm totally for that. I think it's a great idea. And with that being said, I mean, I really can't just say it over. I just say it over and over and over. And you might call me a pumper, whatever you want to call me, but this is fucking black and white facts. This thing's going up. And that's really all I got to say about it. I think these emails are great. Of course, I think they're great. If I thought they were terrible, then I'd be a fucking idiot. And like I said, I'm expecting huge financials when the 10K or when the 10Q drops, and I'm expecting a huge price per share increase. That's just how it's gonna go. So, okay. So anyway, that's what I've got for you guys in BMXC. I hope that you are I hope that you learned something from this. If you haven't seen these emails yet, here's the emails. Of course, the other one is identical to this one, so I didn't bother putting it inside the stream. But there's definitely a lot of stuff going on here that, I don't know, man. We got 10 days. We got 10 days until the day, December 15th. So I think you should keep this one on watch for sure. So yeah, that's what I got. I'm really done talking. But other than that, hope you guys all have a good rest of your night. Tomorrow we will resume. I will, of course, resume talking about other stocks, hopefully. And if you have a stock you want me to talk about, I'm not kidding. Give me something to talk about on this YouTube channel. I want to keep this thing alive. I want to keep it going. And I'm having a good time already and getting the account together and all that stuff. So make sure you, if you are on YouTube, make sure you like that, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. Who knows? If you're not already receiving the tweets letting everybody know that these are happening, maybe you can go ahead and subscribe, and you'll be able to get alerts and notifications telling you that these videos are live. So, alright guys, until next time, good luck trading tomorrow. I will catch you all tomorrow.